I am invisible, on or off the pitch. Invisible with the ball or without. Dribbling, kicking, tackling, scoring. Still invisible. No good, can't play, not good enough. Invisible, not newsworthy. Invisible even to those who want to be like me. I am a footballer. I am a girl. A girl who loves football, who lives, breathes, dreams football. Counting down the minutes, seconds to the next training session. Next match, next goal. I am a girl who dreams of what life could be, a life that it should be, who dreams to be accepted, to be seen. I am me, I am a girl, I am a footballer. I am a girl who will be seen. I will train, play, think, score. I will outplay the boys who think girls can't play football. I will not be invisible. I am me. I am a girl. I will not be second class, relegated to late night TV shows. Not talked about in preference of another gender. I will be seen. I will not be invisible. I will play. I will be a role model to my younger self. I will show those who don't believe in me. I will not go gently. I will fight like a dragon, the red dragon of Wales. Dry Gorch, Cymru. I am a girl. I am the future. I am football.